Imagine a world without rockets, no more fiery explosive launches. Instead, to get to space, you just step into an elevator, press the up button, and quietly ascend into the stars. This isn't just science fiction. It's a real engineering concept called a space elevator. The idea is deceptively simple. A cable or ribbon stretches from a massive anchor on the Earth's equator up to a counterweight in geostationary orbit, over 35,000 kilometers high. Electromagnetic vehicles called climbers would then travel up and down this ribbon, carrying cargo and people into space for a tiny fraction of the cost of a rocket launch. But there's a colossal problem. The cable would need a material with an impossible tensile strength. A steel cable would snap under its own weight before it even left the atmosphere. Scientists believe the answer lies in materials like carbon nanotubes or graphene. A single sheet is 1 atom thick but over 200 times stronger than steel. At the other end of the ribbon, you need a massive counterweight, like a captured asteroid, to keep the cable taut. Even if we could build it, the dangers are immense. The elevator would be a sitting duck for space debris and micrometeoroids. So, could we build a space elevator today? No. The challenges are monumental. But the concept is physically sound, a dream of engineering that one day might just become our reality.